today. Today we're going to be discussing net worth and trying to find that person's net worth. Before we find that person's net worth, they have items, and those items have values. In this case, we have this house. This house has a value of $87,900. This checking account has a value of $950. This credit card debt has a value of negative $2,650. Automobile has a value of $10,300. The student loan, we don't know the value of it right now, but that's what we're gonna find out also in this video. Investments have a value of $5,000. Personal loans, it's a negative $1,200, and their savings account, $2,450. Before we look at the problem that said that the person's net worth was $90,500. Well, we're gonna look at these lists and we're gonna discuss what's gonna be an asset and what's gonna be a liability. An asset is something that can gain you money or is an additional to your net worth, or is a positive. A house, if they were to sell their house, they would get a value of $87,900. That's something they can gain. That's an additional to their net worth. That's going to be an asset. Their checking account, if they're to close that checking account, that would have an additional $950 gains to their net worth. That would be an asset. Look at their credit card debt. That's something that you owe. Something that you owe is going to be a negative. It's going to be a liability. So that's going to be a liability. Your automobile, if they were to sell that automobile, since it has a value of $10,300, that's an additional, that's a positive. So that's going to be an asset. Your student loans, that's something that you're going to have to owe. It's going to be a liability. Even though it says it's a liability, don't think that going to college is not going to help you. It helps you gain earning power. It helps your earning power. So even though it says it's a liability to your net worth, it's always good to go to college. Your personal loans is negative $1,200. Savings account, your savings account says that has a value of $2,450. Where they close that account, that would be additional to their net worth. So that would be an asset. So when we figure out our net worth, it's our assets minus liability. Meaning we're going to subtract our liability from the assets. When we do that, first we have to figure out our total amount for our assets. Come over here, we figure out what our assets were, bring on this column, and we add them up. When we add up this person's assets, we get $106,600. Say it again, $106,600. When we add up the liability, we get $3,850. So it's our assets minus our liabilities. So we're going to subtract our liabilities from our assets. 106,600 minus 3,850. When we subtract them, we get 102,750. This is the net worth without the student loan liability. That's the net worth without the student loan liability. That's what we're trying to figure out. The problem said that the person had a net worth of $90,500. To figure out what this blank's going to be, we're going to subtract the person's net worth from the net worth without the student loan liability. When we subtract that, over here we get $12,250. So now we got the person, we figured out the person's net worth without the student loan liability. They told us what the person's net worth was. We subtracted that and we get $12,250. So this liability this person still owns on their student loan is $12,250. $12,250. So that's how we figure out a person's net worth, figure out their assets and their liabilities. And this question here, they gave us a net worth, but we were able to we still have to figure out this person's net worth without the student loan liability. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a nice day.